So, with generative AI, Siri, Google Assistant, and Samsung's Bixby are all set to experience a second wave comeback. While Samsung is apparently racing to launch the Galaxy S24 series early next year, Apple has reportedly been taking its time. In the meantime, Google is getting ready to integrate its large language artificial intelligence product, Bard, into Google Assistant. Some sources indicate that the finished product will be unveiled alongside the next Google Pixel 9 series. Google intends to use Gemini to power an AI assistant called Pixie that will be exclusive to its Pixel devices, according to the information. On your phone, it will make use of Gmail, Maps, and additional data from Google products. It may evolve into a far more personalized version of the Google Assistant, according to the report released today. Pixie is intended to carry out complex and multimodal tasks, such as suggesting directions to the closest store where someone can buy a product they have photographed. According to an additional report released today by The Information, Pixie may make her launch debut alongside the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro. Pixie does not appear to be assistant with Bard, at least not the first iteration that was unveiled in October, based on the timing. With the release of Gemini Nano for Recorder Summarize and Gboard Smart Reply on the Pixel 8 Pro, Google last gave an update on that. Broader family of Gemini models will unlock new capabilities for the Assistant with Bard experience early next year on Pixel, according to the Pixel team. In the interim, Assistant with Bard won't be limited to the Pixel. Evidence of development for Samsung devices has been observed, and Google has mentioned that iOS is available. With its exclusivity feeling eerily similar to the next-generation Assistant that made its debut on the Pixel 4 and did not launch on other devices, Pixie may be the next version of Assistant with Bard. Google aims to integrate those AI capabilities into its lower-end phones and devices like its watch, according to the Information report. Google has more speculatively talked about glasses that could make use of the AI ability to recognize the objects a wearer is seeing. That suggests, in general, that these glasses will have a camera with voice or display output options. When we last heard about Google Augmented Reality, the internal hardware project was being shelved in favor of collaboration with Samsung on a headset and potentially even glasses. So, what do you guys think about all this? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.